So in this video, we'll be discussing some of the important winning tricks and tips to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, you might be trading on whichever segment you want. Let's say you're trading in equity, cash, futures, option, anything. But these are the little winning tips and tricks which will help you to make good trades and make you profitable. Okay, so let me tell you the first tip. The first tip is fluctuation. Okay, so guys, in market you can see all the stock, all the features or all the option, whatever segment you're trading, there will be fluctuation. Okay, so whenever you enter to a trade, there will be ups and downs. Okay, so the stock or the option or the future, whatever you're trading, there will be fluctuation in that. Okay, so once you enter to a trade, you can see up and down action. Okay, so whenever you enter, sometimes what happens is the stock will not move according to your direction. Okay, there will always be up and down movement like this as you're seeing. So if you buy it at the top, then you are making loss. Okay, or if you short sell at the bottom, then you are making loss in this situation. I'm just giving an example. Okay, so what does this mean? So you should not panic when taking a trade. Okay, so don't panic and take any kind of a trade by seeing a sudden up movement or sudden down movement. Okay, so I see many people doing this mistake. They see sudden up movement in stock and they buy it at the top. So don't do that. So when you buy it at the top, there are chances the stock might come down. Okay, so what do you understand by this? You need to understand that there will be always fluctuation in the market, so you should make your entry right. Okay, so if you don't have your entry right, then you cannot make a correct trade. Okay, so once you make a correct trade, then only you're able to make consistent profit. So now what you have to understand is you have to understand when and where and how you have to take a proper entry. Okay, and you can go inside my channel and there you can see the live trades I upload daily. In this live trades, I'll take the entry and exit in the live market. So you can go inside my channel and watch all the live trading videos. You can see how the entry we make. Okay, so the entry what we make will be safer. Okay, so you can see how entry are made in my live intraday trading. Okay, so this is the first tip. Okay, the fluctuation will always be there, you need to understand that. So once you buy or short sell, the stock will not go according to you at the moment you buy or sell. Okay, so you need to make a proper entry, and only when you make a proper entry, that's when you get a winning trade, and that's where the movement will be more according to you. Okay, so first you need to learn about making a correct entry. Okay, and one more thing guys, you should always keep a realistic target. Okay, so many people say that the stock will move 3%, 2% or 4% also daily, but you can't catch all this 3%, 4% target. Okay, so that's the reality of stock market. Okay, you should be fixed in your mind that the maximum, the target what you need to achieve per day is 1% of the stock. Okay, I'm telling about the stock. Okay, so in one trade you can achieve easily and consistently with a good accuracy, you can achieve 1% of the target. Okay, so according to my knowledge and my experience, I'm telling you the stock might fluctuate 3 or 4%, but this is the mistake what traders are making. Okay, so the traders think that they have to capture all this 3 to 4% target and they make a loss. So don't do that. So have a discipline, have a set of rules. Okay, which will help you to make consistent profit. And yes, you cannot capture all the movement in stock market trading. Okay, so you should know which movement you should capture properly, and if you're able to make 1% target on any selected stock, that means you're good trader. Okay, so always capture the needed percentage of target and exit it. Okay, and always keep target and stop loss. Okay, so guys, if you're new to a stock market trading, or if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. And I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. You can go inside my blogspot and see all the earning proofs and feedbacks from my client what I have got. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch everyday live trade what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. Okay, so once you join the course, I'll be teaching you how to make consistent profit, and I'll teach you the exact needed skill to make consistent profit. Okay, and no complicated things, no indicators, and I'll be guiding you the exact knowledge what you want. Okay, and I'll be guiding you personally. Okay, so I'll be sharing you the experience what I have got, and with my experience I'll be sharing you the exact things what is helpful in intraday trading. Okay, and coming to the next point guys, making mistake is common, so move on and don't think about the mistakes always. Okay, so yes, stop loss hitting is common. Okay, so let's say you are trading a strategy for a 1 week, and in that week if you get two or three stop loss hit, so understand why the stop loss is hitting. Okay, so and try to overcome that. Okay, so don't think that always the mistake will happen. Okay, so if the mistake happens, what you have to do is, the first thing you have to overcome your mistake. You need to figure out what wrong you are doing. Is a strategy wrong, or you took the trade wrong, or you picked the stock wrong? What wrong you did? So whatever wrong you are doing, you have to figure it out, and you have to avoid the mistake. Yes, mistake will happen, the stop losses will hit in stock market, so you don't have to worry about it. If you have a good winning strategy, if you have a good accurate strategy, even if a stop loss hits oftentimes, but if you're able to make consistent profit, that is fine. Okay, so mistake will happen, so you have to overcome the mistake. Okay, and focus on your trading action and follow the discipline. Okay, so whenever you're trading, have a proper focus on trading. Okay, so don't take any blind trades. So whenever you're taking any entry or any exit, make sure you have a proper strategy with you, and then you're trading. Okay, so if you join my course, I'll be teaching you all of these things, which are discipline and following the rules, and also the strategies. Okay, and also how to pick the stock. So all these things will be covered in my course, which I'll be guiding you personally if you take the course. Okay, and one more thing, never over trade. Okay, maximum per day you can do two trades. Okay, so that will be better. If you do over trading, that's greed, and you'll get more stress. Okay, so don't do over trading. So once you are finished for the day, just close your terminal and take an exit. Okay, and I'll tell you one trick about selecting the stock. Okay, so you might have seen many things in the internet about how to select a stock and everything. So whatever stock you select, make sure you check the beta value for that stock. So to check that, if you're using the radar, just come to the stock and click on this more button, and click on this fundamentals. Okay, so here you can see the beta value. So this beta value should be always above 1 point. Okay, so here you can see this is State Bank of India, SBI and stock. So the beta value is 1.48. So you should always select the stock which is having a beta value above 1 point, so that which will help you for a movement in intraday trading. Okay, if the beta value is less, you might get less movement in the trade. Okay, so if the beta value is more, you are able to get a more volatility and movement in that stock. Okay, and one more thing you need to remember is that your experience will make you learn in intraday trading. Okay, so whatever profits you are doing, or whatever stop loss hitting trades you are doing, make sure you learn from that. Okay, so take a note of all the things you are doing, all the correct things what you are doing, all the wrong things what you are doing. Just take a note of it and try to overcome the wrong things what you are doing, and then you will be able to make a winning trades. Okay, and yes, if you guys wish to learn from me and want to learn from my experience, you can join my course now. So once you join my course, you will be able to make consistent profit. I'll be teaching you the exact needed skill, and no indicators, no complicated things. So I'll be teaching you the ways to make consistent profit, which are very simple in stock market. We provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced.